Hello my dear children, I hope you are very fine and safe. The last class we discussed about phrases. In this class we are going to discuss about chapter 4 clauses. First let me explain what is clauses. Clauses are group of words, subject and verb combination, and it has a complete meaning by itself. What is clauses? A clauses is a group of words, subject and verb combination, and it has complete meaning by itself. Now let me explain by an example. He plays cricket regularly. It is a group of words. So the clauses is a group of words. So next what? It has a subject and verb combination. He is a subject, plays is a verb. So it has a subject and verb combination. Then third one, it has complete meaning by itself. He plays cricket regularly. It is giving a complete meaning. So what is clause? Clauses are group of words, subject and verb combination, and it has complete meaning by itself. There are two types of clauses. One is independent clause, another one is a dependent clause. One is a independent clause, another one is a dependent clause. Now let us see what is independent clause. Independent clauses are a complete sentence by itself. It gives a complete sentence by itself. It does not need any other clause for its existence. For example, you may sit. Here you is a subject, sit is a verb. So it is giving a complete sentence by itself. So it does not need any other clause like a dependent clause. So this is what a independent clause. So what is independent clause? It gives a complete sentence by itself. It does not need any other clause for its existence. Now let us see about dependent clause. What is a dependent clause? It has a subject and verb combination, no complete thought. It needs dependent or independent clause to give a full meaning. For example, let us see. You may sit wherever you like. Here, wherever you like is a dependent clause. So it is not giving a complete thought or idea. It is not a complete sentence. So it needs another clause like a independent clause to give a full meaning. Now you see, you may sit wherever you like. Now it is giving a meaning with the help of a dependent clause. So what is independent clause? Independent clause has a subject and verb combination, no complete thought. Dependent or independent clause needed to give a full meaning. Now what we have seen? We have seen the two types of clauses. One is a independent clause, another one is a dependent clause. Now let us see about the kinds of clauses. There are three kinds of clauses. One is noun clauses, adjective clauses, and adverb clauses. There are three kinds of clauses. Noun clauses, adjective clauses, and adverb clauses. Now let us see one by one. Now let us see the first kind, noun clauses. What is noun clauses? Noun clauses is a group of words, subject and verb combination, acts like a noun in a sentence. It's a group of words, subject and verb combination, acts like a noun in a sentence. For example, I fear that I will fail. I fear that I will fail. In this sentence, that I will fail is a noun clause. That I will fail is a noun clause. So I is a subject, fail is a verb. Here I fear. Fear also verb. It is the object of the verb. It is the object of the verb. So now let us see another one example. That you have come pleases me. That you have come is a noun clause. Here you is a subject, come is a verb. Here please is also verb. It is a subject of the verb. It is a subject of the verb. So they are acting like a noun. So what is the noun clauses? Noun clauses are group of words, subject and verb combination, acts like a noun in a sentence. Now let us see adjective clauses. What is adjective clauses? Adjective clauses are group of words, subject and verb combination, acts as an adjective. Acts as an adjective. Normally what we will call adjective? What the adjective will do? Adjective will describe about the noun. That is what adjective. So that is what the adjective has to do here also. It has to describe about the noun. For example, the umbrella which has a broken handle is mine. The umbrella which has a broken handle is mine. Here handle is a subject, broken is a verb, and it is describing about the noun umbrella. Now let us see another one example. He met a girl whose eyes were blue. Here whose eyes were blue is a adjective clause. So here eyes is a subject, blue is a verb. It is describing about the girl, noun. So what the adjectives clauses do? It describes about the noun. So this is a adjective clause. The adjective clauses are called, we can tell them the relative clauses, because they will give the relation between whose, who, with, which. So the like kind of words. So they are called relative clauses also. What is adjective clause? Adjective clause is a group of words, subject and verb combination, acts as an adjective. Now let us see adverb clauses. What is adverb clauses? Adverb clauses is a group of words, subject and verb combination, acts as an adverb in a sentence. Adverb clauses are group of words, subject and verb combination, and acts as an adverb in a sentence. For example, they rested when the evening came. They rested when the evening came. When the evening came is a adverb clause. In this sentence, evening is a subject, came is a verb. Here rested also verb. So here they are describing about the verb rested. Normally what the adverb will do? Adverb will modify the verb or adverb or adjective. That is what here it is doing. It is modifying the verb. So this is an adverb clause. What is adverb clauses? Adverb clauses are group of words, subject and verb combination, and acts as an adverb in a sentence. Now let us see conditional clauses or if clauses. We can call it conditional clauses or if clauses. There are three kinds of conditional clauses are there. Now let us see first conditional clause. First conditional clause will have a simple present tense plus will plus verb. They express a statement of fact or intent. For example, if I study, I will pass. If I study, I will pass. Study is a simple present tense. Then we have to add a will. Will plus pass is a verb. So the first conditional clauses has simple present tense plus will plus verb. Now let us see a second conditional clauses. Second conditional clauses has a simple past tense plus would plus verb. They express unreal situations or unlikely situations. For example, if I studied, I would pause. Studied is a simple past tense. I would, what we have to add? Would we have to add, then verb pause. So the second conditional clauses has simple past tense plus would plus verb. Now let us see a third conditional clause. Third conditional clause has a past perfect tense plus would have plus third form of a verb, V3 verb. Now let us see an example. If I had studied, I would have passed. I had studied is a past perfect tense. Then we have to add would have. I would have, third form of a verb, passed. Past, past, passed. So third form of verb is a past. So the third conditional clauses has past perfect tense plus would have plus third form of a verb. Then we can see another one conditional clause also, that is a zero conditional clause. They express about the scientific truth or facts. So what tense it comes? The same tense it remains. It will not have any change because that is a scientific truth. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. If you heat ice, it melts. It is a scientific truth. We cannot change. If you stand on the rain, you will wet. It is a fact. We cannot change. So, I hope you all are understanding. So, what we have learned today, let us revise once again. We learned what is clauses and the types of clauses, independent and dependent clauses, and the kinds of clauses, three kinds of clauses, noun clauses, adjective clauses and adverb clauses. Then conditional clauses or if clauses. So my dear children, take your grammar book and try to do all the exercises which is given in your grammar book with the pencil, not with the pen. Thank you.